Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another Pinterest video, recreating Pinterest outfits that I love using my own wardrobe. Alright you guys, I swear this is gonna be my last winter one because I'm over winter. But let's be real, we're all wearing winter clothes still because it's still cold outside, even though we're ready for spring. I still want outfits that I can wear, and I need inspiration, especially towards the end of the season because I'm kind of like, over it. I'm not buying new clothes because we're over winter. I'm already focusing on spring, but we still need to, you know, dress more. So this is for you guys. So as always, I love Pinterest videos, like recreating Pinterest outfits that I see on my Pinterest board that I'm repinning when I'm scrolling. I love Pinterest because I'm always trying to get inspiration to shop my own wardrobe. I think there is plenty of inspiration in this world to get you to buy new things. And I'm all here for that too. I love adding me some new clothes. I love that. I mean, it is what it is. But I think it's super important to really remember what we have, really remember what we have, and really understand that like you don't need the exact outfit somebody is wearing. You can really pick and choose what you need, and that's what I love about Pinterest, is because it's mostly older clothes. Like, it's not people who are posting necessarily new stuff on there, so I feel like you really have to get creative to recreate that outfit, and I love that. It's like a little task, a little challenge, if you will. So let's start with my first challenge. So we've got outfit number one. I love the layering about this. I love everything about it. Okay, first of all, denim shirts have been just a re-love of my life. I think I have two outfits with denim shirts in this video. But I love the layeringness about this. I love the corduroys. This just screams texture and warmth and just interest. I love the interest of this outfit. Hopefully it's not too interesting and a little like busy, but I'm hopeful. I think this is super cute, and I love corduroys, so I'm excited to give this one a go. Hopefully I make it look as cute as she does, and yeah, let's see how I do with outfit number one. All right, so we've got our base layer on, which is a denim button-up, which I've been loving, and then these little cute corduroys. These are from Halora. They're super stretchy, and I love them. So I think I would, we have to figure out shoes because she's not showing her shoes, but we're gonna make it work. So all the way buttoned. Oh, so cute, so cozy. I love these corduroys. I think honestly I would probably wear either my high top Converse or socks with my clogs, which I don't have socks right now, so we're just gonna imagine I have socks on. But I think that's cute. Okay. And I would do socks because these pants are like slightly cropped. But anyway, okay. Let's throw on this little, like, it's like a sweatshirt thing. I got it from Primark a while ago, and it's a really cute, like, it looks like a crew neck sweatshirt, but it's a sweater material. Hers is more oversized than mine is, but we're gonna, like I said, improvise. This just reminds me of when I was in high school, and like the trend was to wear like a colorful flannel underneath a like hoodie. It was such a vibe, and I don't know why, but it was. Okay. It's just always like, this look just always makes me look like I got nothing, but that's fine, it doesn't matter. I love this just how it is. Very cute. I love the different textures. You got denim, sweater mixed with corduroys, and then the suede shoes, everything. So cute. She has some sunnies on, or head, like such. Okay. And then she has like a trench wool coat situation. I don't have anything that's trench like, but I do have like a grayer coat. Grayer. That's what I would wear. This little coat again. My wind chime hangers. No one asked. Oh yeah, this is it. This is such a warm and cozy outfit. This is so cute. I love this. Yes, I love everything about this. She has like a little black bag. Type this this one from Zara. I love this look. I really do. I love these corduroys. So cute. I would say if I'm gonna like walk around for a long period of time, I would throw on my like black high top Converse. I think that would look better with this, or even my New Balance 990s. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, this is cute. But just for kicking, I would just put on my clogs with some like gray chunky socks. But I love the interest of this look. At first I thought it was gonna be too busy, but I don't think it is at all. How do we do? Her, me, I love it. Outfit number 2, we're sticking with that denim shirt, okay? And I did a video, or I did an outfit similar to this one, but it was kind of a miss. But I love this sort of like houndstooth blazer. I've had this one in my collection for years now. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, that's really cute. And I know the denim tuxedo, denim on denim is really in, and I'm really just trying to embrace it. And I think this is a cute way to kind of like add a little breakup with the fact that there's a white shirt underneath and you've got the pattern blazer. I think it gives enough interest to the outfit where it's not like a whole Canadian tuxedo. It's like you're dipping your foot into the trend, but not like dipping your whole body in denim. So I think I'm here for this one. Let's see, you know, and we're gonna have to improvise because we can only see like this much of hers. We're gonna improvise all the rest and see how I do with look number 3. That's look number 2, girl. Look number 2. My Levi 501s. I just bought like so many different colors of these, but this style always just fits so much tighter than those other ones. It's weird. Oh, these are freshly washed too. But if you know real denim, you know how much it just like stretches out. Okay. We're in. Okay. Now, she has a denim shirt on, so we're going denim shirt. I'm pretty sure she tucks hers in. So she has hers like unbuttoned, but tucked in all at the same time. And I feel like these denims are like close enough in color that they like work. So we've got this so 90s. I feel like with like a belt and some cowboy boots, you were just 90-fied. Okay, this little blazer. I love this. I got this from Walmart like 2 years ago, maybe. Oh, let's see if I can layer it over this denim. I love it. Snug. I could never be one of those girls. You know those girls that like to keep their hair inside of their shirt? Do you know what I'm talking about? I can't think of like, I don't know why you would want that, because I can't stand the feeling of hair like on my like inside my thing. Nope, not happening. Not happening. Okay, I like it, but I don't know if I'm like in love with it. It's cute, honestly. It's got some like interest to it. Oh, I think I've pretty much nailed the look. Hers is more of like a wool, but I have texture to mine too. It's cute, don't get me wrong. I do really like the openness, and using this truly as just like a layering piece. Oh my god, Quince has this super cute like concept of like blazers with like inserts that sew or zip into the sides so it looks like you're layered, but you're not. I need to get my hands on it. Like, oh, I need it. But anyway, it's sold out in the navy, which is what I want. But it's really quite cute. I feel like if you could wear denim to an office, this would be cute with some black flats or something, or brown flats. I'm kind of here for it. I'm not mad at it. The blazer's a little bit snug because I have denim layered underneath it, plus a t-shirt. It's just snug right here, so I can tell, but it's kind of cute. I kind of like it. It looks better on her, but it's kind of cute. I kind of like it. Let's move on to outfit number 3. Look number 3 is honestly a super realistic what I'm wearing 99% of the time, especially if it's like really cold. But this is something that I find that I have these pieces and I just never wear them. I used to be obsessed with my Doc Martens. I don't have the same ones as she does, but I used to be obsessed with my Doc Martens and I just don't wear them enough anymore. And I want to find outfits that like feel like me, because they just don't feel like me right now. And I don't know why. So trying to like bring them back in, because I'm never going to get rid of them. They're a forever shoe in my wardrobe, but I'm kind of trying to find outfits that they feel like me in, so me-ifying them, if you will. But yeah, we're gonna see how I do with this. It's very basic, very simple, black on black, but we all need these outfits in our wardrobe. And I think just because you pin a super basic outfit doesn't mean like it's easy to recreate. You still have to like put some time and make it feel like you. So yeah, let's see how I do with outfit. And number 3. I feel like I always have a ninja outfit. So let's put on my ninja outfit, which means like black. Black on black on black. Okay. Ninja base is on. I just feel like you can't go wrong. Ooh, I can still smell my perfume on this shirt. I feel like you can't go wrong with just like an all black outfit, especially if you're just like walking around in the city, or I don't know. There's just something good about an all black outfit. So black jeans, black ribbed long sleeve. Let's throw on our combat boots, our Doc Martens. But I bought these when I lived in Japan because every girl had them and they looked so cute. They would wear them with like denim shorts and stuff. They were adorable, but I just never felt like they were me. But they truly are such a good winter shoe because they're like boots. Duh. Okay, this all black outfit is just not working for me, so let's accessorize. Okay, so she has a gray coat on. Bring the coat from my first outfit. I don't know what it is. I just feel like Doc Martens are just not me, and that's okay. And maybe they'll come back to me. Maybe I'll find different ways, and this is just like process, trial and error, you know, figuring out what works. Let's throw in, you know, it's coming together. Okay, she has this big fluffy green scarf on, which I own as well. She has it like very much long. This is what I mean when girls like leave their hair in there. Like absolutely not. That would itch the crap out of me. Just don't know if I love these boots. I think maybe I would like the Chelsea boot version of this, but I wouldn't even buy another pair of Doc Martens because I don't wear these enough. But I would probably just swap them out for my Chelsea boots. Where are they? Just my plain Chelsea boots. I probably would like with this outfit a bit more. But you know what? Honestly, the Doc Martens add like, I don't know, an interest, a fun, I don't know. I kind of always wish I had gotten the platform Doc Martens, but still a staple, still super cute. So that was look number 3, and I'm still going to be ever searching for the perfect outfit to wear with my Doc Martens. Maybe I should just search like girly Doc Marten outfits. Classic Doc Marten outfits. Stay tuned. Okay, outfit number 4 is like very cozy and warm, and it has a lot of like earth tones. I don't have the exact same like colors as she does, but I have similar colors within the family, tonal if you will. I think this is super cute. I really love the idea of, I don't know, all this warmth with the brown, but different tones of brown. I don't know, I'm here for it. I think this is gonna look super cute. I think this is an outfit that I will wear often. So I've really been getting more into brown. I don't know, it just never was a color for me. I feel like instead of black, I always gravitated towards navy. So now I'm like slowly dipping my feet in brown, and I'm here for it. So let's see how I do with this little tonal brown on brown look with look number 4. Swapping the black jeans for a wider, looser leg blue and a brown sweater. She has Sambas on, so let's throw on our Sambas. I love Sambas with like a wider, baggier pant. I just feel like the contrast of like small feet with small thin shoes with like baggy pants is everything. Oh, I'm falling down. I'm falling over. Why can I not get them to fall correctly? Here we go. Now let's swap out the shirt for a brown sweater. This is one of those cashmere boat neck sweaters from Quince, which is literally the softest thing on my body. It's kind of like loose and not like too tucked in, which is good because I got this in a large, so it's very oversized. Okay, and then she has a brown jacket on. Yes! Okay, loving this so far. Okay, and then she has more of like a darker brown sweater over her shoulders, but I don't have anything darker than that. We're gonna go over this like creamy oatmeal. and kind of utilize it as like a scarf is what she's doing, which I think is so cute. So let's just go with this. I'll actually take this strap off. I think it's good. The black bag kind of like brings together the black and the Samba sneakers, so I think it works pretty good. Like this. Yeah, I like this. I like how this adds warmth and interest to an outfit, but it's kind of like a scarf or a sweater. I love this outfit. Very tonal, super cute, super casual. I can wear this anywhere, doing anything. I'm here for it. All right, you guys, that's it. That wraps up my final winter recreating Pinterest pictures inspiration. It's always such a mouthful video. I hope you guys enjoyed my winter little Pinterest videos. I plan to do one of these every single week because I live on Pinterest and I think they're just really fun, and I think it just is a video that we all need more of in our life to just teach us that we can find things in our wardrobe that are close enough. And guess what? No one in real life is looking at the Pinterest one that you were inspired by and then yours side by side. So like, it doesn't matter. If you think an outfit's cute, pull it, find stuff that's similar within your own wardrobe, and go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love them. I love to make them. They aren't going anywhere. We're just coming out with more spring ones. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye.